Umentri rangba ke jylla ukonrat sangma menta kesni ganyo tarik uleber ula ai ke jiyaro ya ke Sanfida Nongrum Kaba Mikman balayo ban Thep Kol na ke binta ke India ha ke AFC Women's Asian Cup dangshen ha ke jingele kai persha ya ke Vietnam. Umentri rangba ula Pynbna ru ya ke song pisa kaba arlak tingka na ke Chief Minister Special Grant kumkala jingyaram.
Hi everyone, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Sanfida Nongrum, who just recently scored a goal in Perth at the AFC Women's Asian Cup. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate her and also to give a small financial assistance of 2 lakhs from the Chief Minister's special grant to show my sense of appreciation for her. I wish her and the entire team the very best. Thank you very much.
Had a long day? Feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.